Hi, welcome to MarineMax Houston. My name's Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to take you on a quick tour of our 2020 Grady-White 376 Canyon that just arrived. A couple cool, neat features about this boat. This is the first Grady-White to hit Texas with a Seakeeper gyro stabilizer. In the cockpit area here, this boat boasts a 13-foot 2-inch beam, so you've got a lot of workable space all the way around the backside of the boat. Easy access on the port side here, whether you're getting on and off the dock, bringing in that big fish, or spend a lot of time in the water. Kind of work our way around to the back side of the boat. We've got a huge insulated, refrigerated, climate-controlled fish box here in the transom. You can refrigerate this or freeze it. Really cool. Get out offshore, fill about halfway full of seawater, make a really nice salt slush brine. Plus, we've got a really nice large fold-out rear bench seat here in the transom, which you can put 2 to 3 people here. Smoothest part of the boat, riding out offshore, or heading back in, or cruising the bay. We've also got easy access to the transom of the boat. Walk-through transom door with a ladder. Engine flushes are located really easy right below the coaming pad here, so you've got just plug in, you can flush out each engine individually there as well. Hot and cold freshwater shower located here in the transom. Nice tow rail going down the starboard side here, so if you're reaching over to grab that big fish, pull it back in, gaff it. You've got some additional rod storage here. You also notice the Sure Shade retractable awning coming off the backside of the hard top. And then we've got an abundant amount of rod storage on the backside of the T-top and the leaning post. This boat does have 2 live wells. You've got a port and starboard live well. We've got a grill located here in the middle, so you spend those nice afternoons out on the water cooking up a steak or fresh fish. We've also got some tackle storage located right below here. There's a really neat feature on the backside of the leaning post. We can drop these trays in, and then this becomes a really nice workstation. You've got plenty of storage for pliers and knives and extra tools and things like that. We've also got an extra gear tool drawer underneath here as well. Kind of work our way around the leaning post heading up towards the helm. You'll notice a 3-person bolster all the way across here. These do flip up, and then you've got your fold-down footrest here as well. We do have 2 air conditioning vents located here at the helm. We've got our Seakeeper remote here, bow thruster, stereo controls, and then we've got room for up to 2 16-inch displays that will flush mount here in the radio box, along with radio, autopilot, and some of the other features that you may want to outfit the boat with. We do also offer custom electronics installs here at MarineMax. Extra storage up here in the top of the radio box here, or the bottom of the T-top. Air vent here, plenty of storage for life jackets, gear, things like that. We do also have curtains that will attach to the bottom of the T-top and come all the way down to the floor, so it'll give you a little extra protection on some of those cold days or if you get stuck out in the rain or anything like that. Kind of work our way forward. There's a large amount of seating up here in this area. This boat does have the forward bow shade on it as well. And we've got 2 large fish boxes located on the port and starboard side forward. And these are insulated. One unique feature about the Grady-White boats is all these boxes, including the rear transom fish box, drain directly overboard, so you don't have to worry about pumps and macerators and things like that. Do have flip backrest, so you can really open up all this. Removable cushions, nice non-skid surface up here as well, so get out fishing and things like that. And you've also got some extra seating here in front of the console for 2 to 3 more people. Kind of work our way around to the console. Underneath the console here, you'll notice quite a bit of storage. Key features down here, you've got room for at least 2 adults to sleep down here. This will also convert into a lounge. And then we've got our pull-out sprayer for the shower, which you do have hot and cold water here, which you can attach up here. Curtain that'll protect everything in here. We've also got a TV with DVD player, its own sound system, microwave. We've got all of our main panel here for running the AC, fish box, and then your AC/DC, things like that. And then we've got our head here with overboard discharge, and then you'll notice back up underneath here, you'll see the Seakeeper gyro stabilizer going to work, keeping us nice and smooth here. Again, I'd like to thank you for taking a tour of our 2020 Grady-White 376 Canyon located here at MarineMax Houston.